How are you feeling today?
I've given 8 so far.
Ready?
It was amazing. I gave it to a doctor.
1, 2, 3.
It was great.
Congratulations.
Everyone's been really, really happy to be here and excited. My name is Lauren Seiler. I'm a nursing student and I am a volunteer today. I'm excited to be part of the COVID-19 vaccine rollout.
Beautiful.
Students are an untapped resource, I think. We've really stepped up in the face of the COVID-19 challenge. UW is really known in the community for that. We are able to connect with the agencies in the community and provide students to help assist with these vaccination efforts.
I'm interested in giving vaccinations for the COVID vaccine, and today was really just like a hands-on training on how to give both the Pfizer and the Moderna vaccine.
Right there.
With this training, I'm able to kind of sign up and actually go out in the field and deliver that vaccine, which to me is an incredible opportunity, really exciting.
Hello. Hi, my name is Camille. Come on in, take a seat there.
Thank you.
Here I am volunteering at the Tacoma Clinical Pharmacy administering COVID-19 vaccines. I am able to administer vaccines, and so being able to help out in the community, it makes me happy, you know.
Hey, you're welcome to sit on this chair here. These students have been great. We love having pharmacy students. My name is Yep. As soon as we got some of the vaccine and we knew we were going to start doing some clinics, we reached out to them to see if they had anybody available to help us. And it looks like this is your first dose?
It is.
Okay.
It's really important to me to feel like I am doing something for my community and feel like I'm sort of part of history here.
Personally, for me, I have people in my life that are a little bit more prone to COVID. You're not feeling ill today. Knowing that I can actually help out in the community, the people around me, is great. Any other plans afterwards?
I'm probably gonna go eat and get a haircut.
Sounds like an eventful day. And you're all good to go.
Thank you much.